Hi, I'm Kirly-sue, and if this is the first time you're coming to my channel, welcome to Kirly-sue's Kitchen. Today I'm making for you lentil and herb crackers, and this is to go with this that have been gifted. So it's been given to me free, but I'm not obliged to say it tastes good if it doesn't. But this is rhubarb and ginger chutney. So I thought this would go nice with the lentil and herb crackers. So I'm going to make the lentil and herb crackers and then try it with some of this rhubarb and ginger chutney. Just open it. It smells nice. Actually, let me taste a little bit. It's nice. It's got like a sweet chutney-ish taste. And now this is good because I don't actually like rhubarb, but you don't really get the rhubarby taste that you usually do. You get more of a chutney taste. Basically, it tastes really nice. What's in it? Let's see. It's got rhubarb. So it's rhubarb, raw cane sugar, cider vinegar, sultanas. That's what I'm tasting. Sultanas, onions, ginger. Okay. And obviously it's vegan friendly and you refrigerate it after you've opened it. But yes, Tracklements sent me this to try, and I'm going to try this. So yeah, let's get on with making the lentil crackers. So for the ingredients, you're going to need lentils, red lentils, which I have here. You're also going to need some turmeric, some salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt, and herbs, some mixed herbs. I've just got garlic and herbs that I'm going to use today, and that's basically all you need. So first of all, soak the red lentils in water for at least 3 hours. Now these have already been soaked for 3 hours, so then you're going to drain them. Now all of the full recipe is in the description box below this video, so click on it there and you will see the full recipe. So I'm going to strain this now, and then all of this will go into a blender, and then we'll just pour it onto a baking sheet. So this is the cup for the blender, because I think I should be able to do it in a NutriBullet instead of a full-size blender. And let me get a bowl and a strainer. Alright, so you just strain that. Alright, so that's that. Just take all the red lentils out. That's that done. Then you're going to need 3/4 of a cup of water. So this is 1/4. So let me get the other 2. So I've got in here 3/4 of a cup of water, and to that I'm going to add the red lentils. So this is a really quick and easy recipe to make. See, it's only got a few ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen already, because I like to try to get you to use stuff that you've already got. Can you make this using other lentils? I'm not sure, but let me have a go and see. But first of all, I'm making it with red lentils because that's the one I've made it with before. Right, so that's that done. So let's get rid of that. So we've got the red lentils in here, and we've also got the water in here. So we're going to add 2 teaspoons of the mixed herbs. Well, I've got garlic and herbs, so 2 teaspoons of the mixed herb is fine. That's one. And that's two. And then 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Alright, so that's everything that we need. And all we need to do now is blend all of this. Halfway through, after it's blended for a bit, shake it up a bit because there'll be some stray bits. And that's it, it's done. So we're going to need a greased baking sheet. I've got a huge baking sheet here. Should be able to put it all in at once. So I'm going to line this with some greaseproof paper just to be on the safe side. So yeah, should be about enough. Always prefer to use greaseproof paper because you basically guarantee it's not going to stick there. Right, so let me pull you back a bit so you can see the baking sheet. There you go. Then you're going to spread the mixture onto the baking sheet. So you want to spread it out as thinly as you possibly can because you want it to be nice and crunchy. If you do it too thick, it won't be as crunchy. Yeah, so spread it all out. So I'm going to take all the mixture out of the cup first, and then I'm going to spread it all out. That's all of it out, so now we're going to spread it out. So get as even as we can, a little. And this doesn't take too long to bake at all. We're going to bake it for about 30 minutes, half an hour. Actually, I'm going to bake this for 40 minutes. So it's definitely going to be crispy. Just make sure you get it nice and smooth and even. If you see any gaps, you just cover it up. Yeah, I think we're more or less there. So what we'll do, put it in for half an hour, then check it to make sure it's okay. And then after half an hour, we'll take it out, cut it into triangles, and then pop it back in for another 20 minutes so that it will be crispy. That's what we'll do. Yeah. So just to recap, we're going to put it in for half an hour, take it out after half an hour, and then cut it into triangles, and then after that we will pop it back in for another 20 minutes so that it goes nice and crispy. So I like to use up all of the mixture, so the bit that's around the blender head, and just scraping that out as well. Yeah, so that's it, we're done. Ready now, we will just pop it into the oven. After half an hour, remove it from the oven. This is how it looks. And then you're going to cut it into triangles. Right. I think I'll use a pizza wheel. It'll be easier. Make sure you cut all the way down. Yeah, so now let me make sure it's gone all the way down. So now we're going to pop it back into the oven for 20 minutes so that it will get nice and crispy. So they've been in there for a further 20 minutes. So we're just going to allow them to cool. And I'm going to try some with the rhubarb and ginger chutney. Yeah, I can hear the snap. It's nice and crispy. See, this is what it looks like. It's quite thin. Tastes nice. That's really nice. I think I'm gonna have one more. Let's do a small one. There you go. If you want to get some of this, there's a link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos just like this one. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.